This is a demonstration of our application weight made with food moods. So, this is the main screen of our new Nexus 1 Android phone. Click on the icon and here comes the main screen. Here we have three buttons: Add Food, Add Activity and User Info. When you go to User Info, you can input your username and some critical information that will help us determine your BMI or other important stuff we need to analyze. Back to the main screen, go to the Add Food, and here first you are asked to input your emotions before eating, which is important because emotions are correlated to overeating. So let's just make a scenario. I'm really frustrated because I had a meeting right before. Choose that, and I'm guilty because it's been 2 hours since my lunch and I shouldn't eat actually, but it's okay. And we click confirm, and here we are on the screen that user actually inputs his meal, and we do that in a voice input method, so that it's easier for the user to do. You have to insert it in set format. It's quantity of item at place, and let's try an example. 1 serving of chicken curry. So the user recognizes that, and after we click confirm, we parse that text into 3 pieces, quantity of item at place, and if the user does not input a place, we can just add a default value which is home. So we run the middle part, chicken curry, through the Fat Secret databases, and we get back 10 most relevant choices to our input. So let's try chicken curry over basmati rice, for example. Click OK, and here we see some nutritional information that come from the database, which is important for us, like serving size, which is actually going to be implemented in accordance to what user inputs, calories, fat, saturated fat, sodium, protein, carbs, in accordance to daily value, which is recommended by nutritionists. And so if we want to add more, we just click on add more to go to the next screen. So let's try, for example, a drink. 1 can of Coke, and after we click confirm, we parse the text as well, and we see that a notification has been up on our screen. So let's read that. Lots of soda this week. Try water next time. So with certain inputs, we're implementing some notifications, just advising the user to take some healthier choices, and we're planning to implement other notification based on trends and maybe specific triggers that we've already think of, like location based or throughout the week's log information. So let's try a final example. Should try like that, and say, for example, 1 piece of chocolate molten cake. So it's good that it recognized that, and after we click confirm, we also get our data back, and let's choose like chocolate molten lava cake. Alright, that's good. And clicking OK, we get also the percentage of all this important nutrition information. So after we're done inputting our items, we click on done, and they all go to a final screen where they are listed. And so the application is still under construction, but there are more interesting features going to be added.